Serundeng Kacang Tanah. Serundeng Kacang Tanah is a game that is played by children in Jakarta. To play this game, will need at least 5 children where it will be more interesting if we play it with more people. A long time ago, this game was famous and my children play it all the time. Now the game is really no. Terima kasih.